Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chai masala tea. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect cup every time. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need water, milk, black tea, sugar, and of course, chai masala powder. Make sure you have a small saucepan, a strainer, and a stirring spoon on hand. Selecting a robust black tea like Assam will provide an excellent foundation for your tea. Now, let's start brewing our aromatic base. Pour 1 cup of water into your saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of your favorite chai masala powder to the water. Place the saucepan on your stove over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. This initial step is crucial for allowing the spices to properly infuse and release their wonderful fragrances. Let it simmer for approximately 2 minutes to ensure maximum flavor extraction. Next, it's time to introduce the tea and milk. Add 1 teaspoon of black tea leaves to the simmering spice water. Then, pour in 1 cup of milk. Bring the entire mixture back to a boil, but be careful not to let it boil over. As soon as it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low. Now, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or more, depending on how sweet you like your tea. Finally, let's bring it all together. Allow the tea to simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes. This simmering time is essential for the flavors to meld and for the tea to develop its characteristic rich, deep color. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the milk from scorching. Once it has simmered to your liking, carefully strain the chai masala tea directly into your favorite mug. Serve it hot and enjoy your perfectly brewed, comforting beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.